and get the recording, and then maybe you can be a guest one of these days with them and invite them to collaborate. Collaboration at my end, it's at least language exchange. Like people here, we have Hindi in our syllabus, and Hindi is taught by Malayalis. The same problem that happens when English is taught by us, we Indianize the English, and the language you speak is neither English nor Indian, but somewhere in between. English, as they call it. English together. Like Chinese have Chinglish, Malayalis have Manglish. So, anyway, if we learn from the natural language speaker, that's even better.
Yeah.
So when they listen to the natural language speakers of Hindi, it's far better than listening to a Kerala teacher teaching Hindi.
Right.
And it is
It is
children,
totally different.
yeah, children working together. They enjoy the friendship and they do all sorts of adventures. And end of the lesson, they have learned a lot of Hindi, much more than what they would have learned had it been taught by a teacher.
Right.
Then, at my end, I also encourage my students here to plant a sapling honoring your friends at the other end.
Yeah, that the link you have shared me last time once we were there in those Skype sessions.
So this is what I'm doing. So now I have plants all over Kerala. Say people from America comes and hug their trees and eat the fruits as well in villages there, because it was done long ago. So some of those trees are bearing fruit already, and it is geotagged, so they know where the tree is. So even without me, they can just use Google Map and end up at the place and stay there with the family, have dinner together. Follow. See, all these are happening because of this global teacher garden concept.
All right.
So what I do is I'm promoting global teacher garden, and over there I make sure the photographs and the history of the tree, who is the tree parent, who is it for, etc., will be a page.
All right.
Global.
I was also involved in this, not in this project, but I have done the things related to this only. That I have planted few trees into my area and in my school too. Once we were going to the school. Right now it is pandemic. No one is going there, and those trees have grown up, and it was just planted on some religious days, one like that people tree, and you have heard about neem tree, and one shami tree.
Okay, okay.
It's basically along with the children also. So little
Uh-huh.
bit photography is there, but not the actual recording part is there. That we have that part, and I was onto that planting of the 7 to 8 more trees, but pandemic has happened in between, so that my plan was crushed.
I can understand, but still, uh, I read it last week. That said now drones can shoot seeds into the ground.
Right.
The seeds are covered in a jelly-like thing, the micronutrient, etc. there. So it will just go, be planted there and start taking the nutrient from there, and they grow up. So like the tens of thousands of shoots could be planted at same day by a drone.
Right.
Technology is helping because unless we regreen the earth, it is doomsday. The game is over.
Right.
That's what is happening now.
Now we are
So the
that
tempo with which we are doing is not enough, but still, what we do is worth noticing. Others will get encouraged. Say, in fact, say maybe I can just send you a message from here. Let
right.
me look at it.
A lot of
And just
awareness has to be created.
yeah, I'm just going to copy and paste that from here. Control C. We should paste it. Sometimes. share it.
It is Control C or Command C at your place. Command C and Command V.
Control C and Control V because I am on Windows,
All right.
and here if you open it, this is
Yes.
when a teacher of mine planted a tree honoring Nadezhda in Russia.
Yes.
Yes,
Nadezhda Ivanova. All right.
yeah, she says she was say in tears when she saw it. The video
Yeah.
of a tree planted in her honor
Mm.
across the world in Kerala.
All right.
It touches the heart, and it say connects us stronger. As it grows, there is an ongoing connection and interaction. Like she will say, okay, two shoots came up today. It's flowering or it's growing, or
Right.
whatever she is doing to the plant, she will just call and update, which means there's a live connection with the teacher and the tree parent.
Right.
Or even if it is between students, we can keep it as tree twinning. You plant a tree there, I plant one, and we share the photos and continue the conversation. Means it's an ongoing conversation,
All right.
and that link doesn't break. I call it tree
Please share
twinning.
that link of your YouTube channel where you have done all these activities.
Yeah, I can share it with you now. I call it eSchool Kerala.
Right.
I started teaching online as the principal of eSchool Kerala in 1998 when I was in Dubai. I was teaching Vedic mathematics free, but then the police caught me saying I had no license as a teacher. I was a manager of a company doing it free, but over there you need a license, or the sponsor should have sponsored you for such an activity.
Right.
So what happened was the police came, caught me, and said they will jail me. But my friends, they told the police that Sebastian is doing it for free, so please don't do that to him.
But any kind of co-curricular activity you can give to the children. This is not the criteria that if you are going to give any idea about any type of co-curricular activity, then you should have a license for that.
In Gulf countries, you are sponsored by a company, and
But
unless the,
but you were teaching in Kerala only, na? That is not a
no,
Gulf
no, no.
country,
In
right?
1998, I was in Dubai. That
Okay.
is where I was teaching. That is why I had to have a license.
Oh,
Now, doing it here, we are free to do whatever we want.
everyone is just doing one or other kind of activity.
Because one thing is that we have a lot of idle time now because of COVID, maybe. Another, now we understand that there is no other way than to connect together and face the challenges as a global citizen.
Right.
Earlier, it could have been, say, the local people getting together and solving a local problem.
But now everyone
Then
is
it became a village problem, then a city problem, then a state problem, a national problem. Now things are global problems. So it's ideal that we connect globally and share our resources, pick each other's brains, and cultivate the creativity of each other's brain and work together. So
okay.
activities help, and what you're doing or what I'm doing is very important now. It has now much more value than it had earlier.
And
So
what about the Flipgrid? You are onto that portal of Flipgrid.
yes, I am trying to educate people. So I go there. After a few days, I go to the next one. I am not. I'm more of a mentor and a trainer. I
Yeah.
really am not a school teacher.
What about, can you just tell me if I am raising voice for that student voice ambassador? There were three level courses like level 1, level 2, and level 3. So
Yes.
I have done my recording yesterday for level 1, where I have responses the record giving rise to the answer of the two questions asked by the portal, like why you want to embarrass your voice against SVA, and another is if you become SBA, what you are going to do for the community. So I just put down my answer in a video, record it in response, and then send. And it was written that within 48 hours, you will get a on your achievement board, you will get a badge. But I have not got any kind of badge. But talking to one of the educator at the global platform, I came to know that he was saying that if you are having any kind of colored thing in the achievement, under achievement,
Mhm.
that means you have got that particular achievement. Like I was a member of this Flipgrid, it is written there that 2020, right?
Okay.
And in the level 1, it is colored, some rocket kind of thing is shown. Rest are just blurred. So I am now eligible for level 2 since I have got that colored one of level 1. Is it like this
I
or
must
something
go back and look out for that. But maybe if you ask the Nadella, the lady, she's already into it regularly teaching this as a mentor for global educators. So I'll send you her contact details on Skype.
else? Okay.
Just send a request asking her to befriend you. Talk to her.
She is from which country?
She's from Russia.
Russia. Okay.
So I'll send you the details, her
What
contact details.
name? What is the name?
Nadelda Ivanova.
Okay, the same one who is doing on YouTube. That.
That's yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
I think I can show you that. And now coming to start sharing. And now I am going back to my own channel, which I gave you.
Because the problem is until you have won that level 1, you cannot go for level 2. And the time is short, it is 9th June. And if I do it today, it will take one more week for level 2 to clear, qualify that one. And
Uh-huh.
then you can move for level 3.
Okay, if you want it that way, maybe we can sit together and conquer level 1, 2, and 3 in a week.
Yeah, no, I have done that mixtape and everything. Only GridPal is left and library discovery is left. That also I have done, but that requires group creation of at least 10 with various topics. That I will do for my subject as a physics expert in different topics and giving the my children to have a response of recording type just as a kind of assessment or holiday homework to them. They will definitely do. But the thing is, I am not clear that my level 1 is over or not. Yeah, it goes
Okay.
for level 2.
The reason could be because they give you specific instructions and we just browse over and start doing because we are so eager to do it.
No, no, no. I have just gone through their instructions under achievement. That was SVA. I just click on that, and then that shows only that for this you need these 3 levels. I read it properly, but I am not getting this. That this colorful part is means that I have done level 1 or something else. That is not clear because that is not mentioned there.
Okay, maybe after tomorrow we can sit together and we can explore it. Maybe I will learn from you or you learn from me because when we are together, what happens is you become my sounding board. Yes, I may be speaking with you, but then all those neuronal connections happen within me and say, then I get something which I may have missed.
So you've got achievement.
So
Under achievement, you can see that part.
right. So this is the video Sharon sent to Nadella.
Can you share your screen for this video? Let me see.
Can't you hear it?
No, I can't. I can hear you, but not see anything on the screen.
Okay, let me see. I'll come back to here. Share screen. I'll stop sharing first, then reshare, and also say share computer sound and say start sharing. Then I can minimize this and play the video. Okay, can you see it now?
No, it's black screen.
Black screen. So black screen. Okay, that could be because of the speed problem of internet.
All right.
I'm sharing it because I can see that red boundary around the frame.
Around the film which
And
matters for
it is
sure.
there. That means it is being shared. The only problem could be the internet speed. And it is not at my end, I know, because I'm in Cochin. Cochin is the submarine cables terminus in India.
Yeah, that I
That is
yeah, that I
the digital
oh my
gateway of India is Cochin.
my side also 5G is working.
Uh-huh. So this is 4G, but because this is in Cochin, we have very good speed.
Yeah.
So when I connect with America or Australia, they say our speed is troublesome, but thank God we are rich in bandwidth. Follow. So if you have black screen only, that should be
Yeah.
because of the lack, lack of
Other
bandwidth.
things, once
The
you
intimate
are
contact with the nature.
I will link after
Okay, so you can visit it later on. The, all videos are stories of my activities there.
all right.
And the
The
latest one
chat
is what I did.
in the chat, yes, Sebastian Pankaj YouTube. Okay. All the activities are here. Okay. I can
Okay.
see now. Yes.
And the latest 3 or 4 is the videos I got today, congratulating the school for starting the IDS project tomorrow.
Right. So
Yeah,
you just give my ID for this particular global project tomorrow.
of course, I will do that. And since you are free at 10:30, you will also get the link to listen and then wave to them and introduce yourself immediately. Then and there.
Right. I will do that part. No
Follow.
problem.
They have given 1 hour to speak. I have nothing much to speak because it is what is something to be done. Everybody knows what video conferencing is about, connected learning is about, what IDS wants, because they get the instruction directly from British Council saying these are the directives.
Right.
So teachers, when they read it, they know. But since it is they are beginners, just like when you are getting married, you don't know who you are getting into. That kind of mental block is there. So I thought I will comfort them with the soothing words of other ladies than a senior gentleman. Okay. Follow. And I think this session, tomorrow's session, is led by Dr. Narjit Kaur of Punjab GEG.
Yeah.
Do you know her?
No, no.
Okay. She is the
I'm
Google
having
educator.
connection with Punjab.
Hmm?
No.
She is the say leader of Google Educators Group in Punjab. And
This will
there
be
are
nice,
such, yeah,
sir.
there are such groups where you should also be linking up with.
Yeah. I will definitely link.
Yeah, what I am trying to do is once I have connected with you,
Yeah.
slowly I will give you students who wants to learn Hindi from you.
All right. But that can be only during the holidays.
Yes, holidays, evenings, spare time, whatever it is. If you do that, you can directly charge them for your time.
Right.
I want an extra income to be given to all teachers because they are working extra anyway.
Right.
Since the day they joined the school, they are not working for the 5 hours that is specified. They are working at least 8 to 10 hours.
Why don't you have a project which can relate it to my field of physics?
Of course, we can. That's where when you come in and give an idea, then I can connect you on that ground and design a project for physics, and we can work
Yeah.
together.
Work on different topics, taking them to the detailing part of that. Simple topics. Let them make them understand. That could be a good option.
Okay, so I will use this video, cut the part when you are offering about this physics connection,
Right.
and upload it on my YouTube channel and send the links to the physics teachers I am meeting tomorrow.
Okay.
And tell them you connect with her, Seema, and go on.
Right.
Follow. I am more of a bridge.
Okay.
Follow. So I'll do that. That's why I said I would like to record because when we sit
Uh,
together,
can also have a kind of a project on the global platform like learning languages. Right now I am doing like from various countries. Like my first project was with Russia. Now I am onto the project of 5 days where we can have a project in collaboration of learning of the Spanish too.
Mhm. Awesome.
That kind of project I can highlight tomorrow with that team.
Okay. If you get time, you can highlight. I don't know the time constraints there.
If
But
I get,
once
then
it is
otherwise,
done, yeah, once it is done, I'll give you the details of how to connect with the school or its IT department head. Okay, and then you can take the connection from that person forward. Follow. That will be ideal because tomorrow's program usually I go there and present in person.
all right.
Tomorrow I
But
am doing it from home. Number one. Since I
okay,
am doing it from home, I have given charge to Narjit Kaur
all
to
right.
run the show with me as her mentor.
Okay.
To have a plan B for a plan B, I have connected with yet another gentleman and given him the same slideshow and said, if Narjit Kaur has some problem, you
Where
take
is
over.
flyer for tomorrow's program?
Is- Pardon
Link
me?
and flyer. Where is the link and flyer for tomorrow's program?
I'll send it. Yeah. I think, are you on WhatsApp? Your WhatsApp number, do I have it here?
Uh, yes,
Just tell me, I'll type it down and then I will send it because it is in WhatsApp. I can send it, but first I will have to say, share it to my.
this one is my WhatsApp number. I was talking about like where is your flyer where that shows for tomorrow's program
Yeah,
and that link.
I will add you on my WhatsApp and send you the flyer.
All
It's,
right.
it's in my phone, not in the computer, and it takes some time, or maybe I should go sign in to my WhatsApp on the laptop and then do it. Just getting ready for tomorrow, organizing everything. So I said I'm happy, even if I don't, I'm not on stage. My friend will take it up, or if she fails, a third person will take it up. So I've given distributor responsibility. So I'm organizing that.
Actually, there is a hand at the back always.
We always need it, Yes,
That
we need.
is required.
That's right. So I was working on that when you popped in. So I thought I will have a chit chat with you so that I can also invite you. See, the more the merrier. That's what I feel.
Right.
Because everyone,
So
their own ideas.
engaged in various other sessions too, like on the mom day, as if you have told me that yeah, half of the mother teach the other mothers in the church. The same way I was having that session with my children to explore
Great.
the power of mom. I have done that session.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Because now, say, if you look at the video, I think the first row or second row you can see Sharon, who planted the tree, sitting along with Anu Jomi, another lady from Kerala. Both of them are connected to a Malaysian lady, and they are
Uh,
teaching.
here is
The
the video. I can't see.
okay, that must be it. I'll now take out the link of that and give it to you. I think. Let me see. Mm, just a second. Going for the copy link address, and I'm pasting it here from the channel itself. This is where they are speaking to a Malaysian Malayali,
All right.
and they have already started teaching Malayalam to the Malaysian ladies' twin children, and they are earning from home,
Okay.
teaching mother tongue.
Right.
But when I go to a school, I never mention money.
Right.
These are voluntary activity for which they give it's a honorarium. It is
Right.
not a fee. It is not a charge. They are so happy. They want to do something for each other. Some people pay in
First
cash.
have
Some in,
connections and only this will work now. Connections are required.
first we have to have the trust.
Yeah,
So we have to grow trust by connecting mothers.
right.
Yes,
After
mothers are the best person.
children come.
Then the children interact and learn. So
Right.
once the mothers are connected, they don't need to teach the children.
Yeah.
It is a peer-to-peer learning. So
Right.
Malayali students here, children here, will speak with the Malaysian ladies' children there, and they will interact and learn.
Right.
Follow. That's the natural way of learning as well. They celebrate their friends. Sometimes they dance in front of the camera. So it's cultural exchange, if you want to call it. Whatever it is, when children connect together, it's creativity in action.
Right.
Follow. So this also brings some remuneration for the mothers here,
Right. Right.
and
So
that
yeah.
is used. Yeah, and this income is used in setting up micro schools here. I am setting up micro in
My,
villages.
what is that micro community?
Micro school is just a tutorial. Only difference is there is super fast internet and high speed computer and women,
Oh,
mothers there
that.
to look after the children.
Oh,
So different students, different age can come sit there, don the headset and
so
learn
this
from.
project of micro school in the COVID situation, you can have this like those children who have lost their parents can build up to your community of micro school.
Of
That is a
course,
great idea.
my aim is to set up 3,000 micro schools all over Kerala.
Oh,
I dream big
wow.
because my support is from the whole world. Like when you start promoting it, maybe suppose you promise to teach 10 students Hindi, then I'll tell them, okay, aggregate the fee that you would pay to SEMA, but use that to buy the first computer, the installment of the computer.
Right.
So they have a computer and 10 students learning using a TV. It will be projected to a TV or a projector. So they are learning from you, but the next batch, the fee that comes from the next batch could pay you
Right. And
because
that
the
is also
laptop is there, the infrastructure. Yeah.
right.
So it is crowdsourcing or crowdfunding in action.
Right.
What I call, so it's called crowdfunding because everyone comes together, chips in the money, buy
Funding.
the computer, they start learning, then more money comes in, they pay the loan back, and then it is their own.
Right.
So my volunteer activity is for, say, empowering the poor fisher folk because they have lost homes, they have lost their livelihood, and it is during COVID pandemic season, the untold misery.
Right.
I know because they are my friends, they come online and cry. I know. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Very scary outside. Very
yeah,
scary.
happening in Delhi, it is happening in all over the world because people are
Very
so affected, So it's by holding hands we can
right.
help each other. It is we are tapping into the social capital.
Right.
My social capital is my friends.
Right.
No, not money. So
Right.
today I called the church and I asked the priest to send me a message congratulating the school tomorrow. So he will do it. So I can show that video of the priest to the bishop and tell him you start this activity in other as well. My women of Wiki will be teaching there, but pay them some honorarium so that
Right.
the women gets paid. But the women is from the poor belt,
Right.
educated women from the say, fishermen families. If they work, naturally they should get paid.
Right.
So they will get paid. So I am the go-between. I am not making anything out of it other than the connections and the say the blessings. For
That
instance,
employment and
yeah,
motivation is required now for that to do anything. That is at back end only.
I am 70, but still I keep young at heart.
Right.
I
That
get up
has
at 4 o'clock.
because
Follow.
once you are not young at heart, you cannot start with energy which is required for any of you.
Yes, so tomorrow I'll write down and I'll send you the link to meet the group. It will be the link will be shared with me only by 9 o'clock tomorrow.
9. All
Yeah,
right.
the school will create the classroom link and send it to me.
All right.
So I will share it with you and all my friends. Possibly I will make a Skype group and paste it,
Okay.
or maybe if I
What
can
do
do
you
it through
think?
WhatsApp.
What will
Pardon
be
me?
that group?
Repeat that again.
What will be the name of that group which you are going to make on Skype?
25 Tuesday Assisi school. Because this one Assisi school, the training is tomorrow 25. So I name the date and the school. That's the standard way I do it. So everybody will know this is it. Shall make a whole
Fine.
Skype
See you
group like
tomorrow.
that also.
Thanks for your valuable input. See you tomorrow.
We'll work together. Thank you. Thank you for your time as well. Have a good day. Stay safe. Give my very best to your family.
All right.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much.